Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome high CPU uses. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Chrome browser and here click those three dots on top of your right, click it here, and now click more tools and select task manager here, and here you can say you can end any task that is using a lot of CPU. I would recommend in the process of every subframe, just click that process and select end process. And after that end any extension that you are not using correctly, just like this, and select the process, and it will free up a lot of CPU space from your Chrome. And the second option is select the straight three dots again, and select extension here, and select manage extension here. And after that, remove any extension that you don't use, or that you don't know that is added to your browser. Just like that, click remove and select remove, and it will help you a lot of to free up the CPU space. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.